The fifth root of x plus 8 is what?
X plus 8.
Just x plus 8. And there is no, and why? Because these two are going to take each other out. It says, how many times do I multiply? What do I multiply times itself 5 times to get x plus 8 to the fifth? Well, it's going to be x plus 8. No absolute values. And why is this? This is an odd index. DEX. No absolute values. What is the opposite of, and that's what this is, I don't know why I didn't put a space in there, the opposite of the sixth root of x plus 1 to the sixth? Well, first of all, I know that the sixes are going to nail each other, right? What do I multiply times itself 6 times to get x plus 6? Well, it's got to be, or x plus 1 to the sixth is x plus 1, right? However, the index is even. They put absolute values around it. And then you multiply your final answer by -1. So even index, absolute values. Majority of problems you're going to do is not going to involve that at all, because they take it out of play. Even index, I know that my answer is going to have what? Absolute values. So these are both 4s. So this is just x squared plus 1 plus 7, absolute value. Now I don't need absolute values. Why don't I need absolute values? Okay, x squared is positive. 7 is positive. Positive plus positive is what? Positive. So theoretically, I don't need the absolute values. Would I mark it wrong if you put them in? No. This is not college algebra. This is not calculus. This is intermediate. So, what is the fifth root of -32? The opposite of the fifth root of -32. So -1 times, what's the fifth root of -32? -2, because it's an odd index. -1 times -2 is +2. The fourth root of 5x to the fourth. Well, I know the 2 4s are going to take each other out. I'm left with the parentheses, which is 5x. Because this is an even index, what do I have to have around it? That's what they would do. And actually, their answer would be this. Because what is 5? A positive number. I don't like this because it gives you the impression of something that later on might cause you some problems if you're not careful. What is the 58th root of x plus 8 cubed divided by 3? X plus 8 divided by 3, and then this is an even index. So that means I need absolute values around it because they didn't give me any criteria.